Good morning, everybody. We are back on the MR2. Another day of many. And when I put the headers in and finished the exhaust system, I was thinking, oh, well, I'll just put these O2 sensor bungs in later. Well, I wish I would have done it then. But I think the reason I didn't is because of the wiring. I wasn't exactly sure where they need to be located and, I wasn't exactly sure where the wiring for them were going to be, so I wasn't exactly sure where I wanted them. So that's what we're going to take care of today. We're going to get these headers. We're going to get an O2 sensor bung put in it. We're going to get them wrapped. We got some header wrap. We got some stainless steel ties. And we even have the silicone coating. So I want these to stay as nice as possible. So yeah, I need to go figure out exactly where this O2 sensor is going to be. Then we're going to drill a hole. We'll clear some paint off. We'll weld this sucker on. Okay, so we got O2 bungs in both headers. There's the one on this is the rear, and this is the front one up by the firewall. O2 sensor bungs over here. Slapped a little bit of that header paint, high temp header paint on there, and then now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna wrap these suckers down to the flange. I'm hoping that this is enough for both headers. So. And like I said before, we got the stainless steel clamps, and this even comes with a little tool. But yeah, I'm just gonna set this thing up. You guys do a little time lapse of wrapping some headers. Alright, so we went to the parts store. We got some gaskets. It's the same day. I had to change my shirt because the header wrap was really making me itch. So, still itchy, but changed my shirt. A little bit better. We got the new gaskets. We're going to go ahead and get these headers installed. Got both of the headers in. I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna toss the exhaust in, and that should be super easy, just a V-band clamp. So let's do that. What we gotta do is get the right socket. Yep, there we go. Tighten it up. There's one side. There is clearance, but it is tight. Alright, so I don't have the bracket for those shifter cables, and I'm having a hard time locating one. So I'm considering making my own. So that's what I need to figure out next, is if I'm gonna make this shifter bracket, I'll probably just make it as part of that mount right there. And yeah, that's all. I mean, I don't know what else to do, honestly, at this point. So looks like we're gonna be making a shifter bracket. I was just about to call it a day because it's 100 degrees out here, but both of my oxygen sensors just came in. So we're gonna go ahead and get these suckers thrown in so we can cross it off of our list. And this will complete the exhaust. I'm gonna go throw these in real quick. It's right here. Super easy. No clearance problems there. And then we'll tighten this up. Definitely gonna have to put a zip tie or something to keep this longer cord out of the way. But that is done. I'm super hot. It's time to call it. See you guys later.